The concepts that he teaches, we all know to an extent, but it's those little things that makes a difference. Just holding a knife a certain way, holding a drill a certain way at a certain angle, that if you don't do, it can make your life very difficult, but if you do, it makes it much easier, and that can only come with experience because you've done it.
He has it so practical that you're preparing teeth, actually typodont teeth with decay, with caries in it, so you could actually design these preparations and see how practical it is. He has them do techniques that are, you know, very new.
Direct Composite is the bread and butter of dentistry. Being efficient, predictable, and successful at doing direct composites in the anterior and posterior area of the mouth is key to success for a restorative dentist. Additionally to that, direct composite is a wonderful material that allows us to do many things that we may not be using currently, like beautiful direct composite veneers and even full mouth rehabilitations. In this hands-on workshop, we will perform many direct posterior composites, many anterior composites, veneers, and even a full mouth rehabilitation. We will review materials, we will review techniques step by step, and of course perform them. And the participants will take a great deal of material home, which they can start using on Monday. My goal is that at the end of this workshop, you will be able to perform all the procedures that we reviewed and did during the weekend.